gotta come. But you gotta come, okay? Come on. I know. You gotta come. You gotta come. I know. Come on. Come on. Come on down.
This is somewhat ironic because I, by day, am a fireman, and I have never pulled a cat out of a tree before on duty or off duty. So now we're going to put my years of experience into practice. We do have a 40-foot ladder, so we're going to throw that up, get some gloves, and hope he doesn't kill me on the way down in his excitement to be not in a tree. Yeah. All right. So I need you to brace it. And just don't let the end come up.
It's a little bit of a depression right here.
Yeah, I see it. The trick will be clearing the branches. Don't worry about pulling it. Just make sure the end doesn't come up. We good? Sweet. All right. Now, if you'll keep feet here,
Yeah.
I'm going to raise it.
Is that tall? Oh, you are going to raise it.
Yeah.
Well, we don't need to call the fire department. We're Dad's department.
I am the fire department.
What's yours?
Whew.
You think you'll be able to reach that?
I'm an old man. I got conditions. All right, you lovely cat. So yeah, you just keep your feet here.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going anywhere, but this would be
Well, you know, it'll get stuck between other trees.
it'll be an interesting insurance claim. You did what to your husband? Who can I sue? We gotta pay for a car. Come on, buddy. This is not on my bingo card for a Friday. I know. I know. Good morning, Your Majesty. Come here. I got you. Come here. I got you. Just don't panic, okay? Don't panic. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't. Oh boy. All right, you want to take a break? We can't stay here though. No, keep your hands in. Keep
Turn out something.
Look how puppy his poor little tail is.
And he is saved. Now, I've never seen a cat skeleton in a tree before, but that might be because they just die and fall out. Who knows? Whew. You never know what's going to happen here at Final Farms. Thanks for watching. My name is Brian. We'll see you next time.